Seems like a cooking counter.
Well, it's a small countertop with one eye.
I don't know how hard it is to not want to like grab one of those pieces of chicken right now.
Meat's done. Noodles are done al dente. I think that's what he said.
Sounds right.
Listening to the news. Sauce is done. Just gotta drain it and mix everything good.
Okay.
We'll chop some parsley.
Sounds good. Is that Lizzie down there?
Yep.
Put your leg real quick so we can join the video. Oh, Lizzie. Oh, hey, buddy. Look at you. Look at you, little goober. There you are staying here. It is very, very windy out here.
Well, give me like 10 more minutes.
Oh, and then we'll be ready to eat?
Yeah.
Dope.
Come finish up whatever you're doing.
Sounds good. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, so I'm going to take you on a little walkthrough of what all happened yesterday. So, honestly, it's been a hectic work week and I just wasn't feeling it yesterday. And been a little stressed out about this wiring, so I just took the day off from filming and got busy. So, I will show you kind of what all we did yesterday, and then I'm about to eat since Paige said it's ready. So, let me turn this camera around, get the microphone turned around so you can hear me a little better, and I'll walk you through. So, first thing I really started on yesterday was making sure that the location where our DC lines are going to be coming down, that we had really taut lines for the AC section, so that way we have as big of a gap as possible between the DC lines and the AC lines. I will be putting like a protector on this side to kind of help with some of the possible frequencies affecting our DC currents, and then these will be side by side as close to the wall as possible. So this is all our DC lines. Kind of what these are going to be doing is going to be following along the same path as the bus harness because that's going to be the easiest path for them to follow, since our wall is going to be tucked right up against here. So we have a few locations. We got the main fan over here, and then we have the bathroom fan. We have the Propex heater, so that's coming across here, and it's dropping down into the bottom of the pantry. And then we have perimeter lights, so that's what this other wire is. So we have perimeter lights on the very front of the bus, the rear, and then 2 on each side. So the ones on the sides are parallel, so you get the one here that's running across, and it will parallel in with this cable here. And then the same on the other side. So we have our bedroom lights, which will be attached there, as well as splice off here. We have that rear perimeter light there. And then we have 2 cables going all the way to the front that are here. I just gave them a bunch of extra slack, and those will run all our LED strips along the ceiling here. And then we have one more cable here for the front perimeter light. And that's about it. I think I ordered some 14 gauge wire, so that way I can run a signal from here across all the way to the front electrical panel. And that's so we can basically attach that, or send a signal to the relays to turn on the auxiliary air compressor, as well as the air horn. That was what I spent the majority of my time on yesterday. I had to order a few things, like I ordered a nicer crimper, and then I also ordered some really nice heat shrink butt connectors, and that's for attaching stuff like this, because once these go in, they're going to be most likely spray foamed over. I'm going to try to leave them out, but it's not going to work in most cases, so they need to be very reliable, have a solid connection. I want to make sure my crimps are perfect. But yeah, I guess it's time to go eat lunch. Alright. What do you think of the heater?
It's nice. So we don't accidentally suffocate ourselves. We're fine.
Well, we have boat hatches slightly cracked. Well, they're both latched right now, but in the partial latched spot. Oh, let's go see Busy. Who's a good girl? Coffee. Who's a good girl? You tired? Are you tired? Yes. So cute. What do you think, Coffee? think we are done for the weekend. We really just need some more parts, grommets, a few other tools. So next weekend we'll try to finish those up. But yeah, it's getting late early. It's only 7 o'clock and it's pitch black outside, so we're gonna eat dinner and go to bed early. Got nothing else we can do. Yep. How do you feel about the progress so far this weekend, babe? I guess it's moving at a decent pace. I wasn't expecting to get all the DC wiring done, but there's still small odds and ends. And hopefully we're going to try to like budge the installation place a little bit. They didn't contact me at all last week, so... Which that's what I was worried about, signing that quote originally and not doing it myself, but... I mean, maybe if they don't contact us this week, maybe I call the direct place and say, hey, look, you know, can you do it soon or not? Because if not, we'll have to change and do it ourselves again.
Get another quote from somewhere else, because I bet you could get another quote.
Maybe. So, but anyway, yep, that was it for this weekend.